All right, we lightly mentioned we had a Cobot coming around when we were talking Hanwha before, and there's something unique about what's happening with JBM and this Hanwha robot that I think is almost a world premiere at this point, right?
It is. We're revealing, well, again, a new product line to us. Hanwha Robotics has been around since 2018 in the US, but we're now distributing these products. We're supporting these products. We actually can repair these products for the region and for other distributors of automation or integrators. And of course, we're using them for ourselves. Beautiful thing about this, there's so many plug and play applications. So your gripper packages, your camera packages, we talked about that over on the mitts a little bit ago, but all of that is plug and play. You have everything you need provided to you when you're ready to put it together. So if you're inclined and you want to do your own, you want to just buy the robot, these are very, very affordably priced. They have a great industrial cast body on them, which gives you a nice feel that you're buying a robot that's going to last you for a long time, but all with the ease of the maintenance that comes with a Cobot. So we can do a basic robot to a customer. They have their own fun. We can do all of it, which is an integration turnkey or robotic and automation turnkey for them. Or companies sometimes want to do a little bit of it themselves, so we call that a share key. And those guys might say, well, I'll make my own gripper, my own fingers, maybe my own fixture. I don't know how to tie this into a CNC machine tool or use the camera system. So maybe we do one part, they do the other part, and we all win.
You know, that's the first, this makes all the sense in the world, but it's the first time I've ever heard share key. I've heard turnkey over and over and over again, but share key, I like that.
Thank you.
Yeah.